Hey everybody, it's me, Dom. I'm back. We're doing another tutorial, but the cool thing about the tutorial this time is that it's the first day of 31 days of Dom. If you don't know what 31 Days of Dom is, I will be posting a tutorial every single day in the month of December. These tutorials will be covering Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe After Effects, and Final Cut Pro. So if you're trying to become a design pro in a month, just tune in every day here and you'll be good to go by December 31st. I promise you. And before we get into this tutorial, quick life update. I adopted a cat yesterday. She's awesome, she's great, she's amazing, but she's really affectionate and needy. So if you see a black cat jump up in the camera at some point in time, it's her. Don't mind her, she's just doing her own thing. And this is her right here. Her name's Bean. She's 4 months. She's so cute, very energetic. She's all over the place right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna let her run around and have a good time. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use mock-ups in Adobe Photoshop. This is going to be like a really cool skill to learn how to use, especially if you're a business owner, because it's going to give you the ability to create things that aren't even in existence yet. So if you have like a clothing line, you have really cool designs, but you don't have that actual t-shirt yet, you'll be able to put that design on a t-shirt, on an actual model, and use it as a promotion mechanism up until you get those products in the mail. You can do this for a variety of things, from clothes to furniture to interior design, business card mock-ups, anything like that. This is going to be the perfect tutorial for you. So I'm going to stop talking so we can get right into this tutorial. So the first thing we're going to do is go on the internet and find a free mock-up. Now you can do this by typing free t-shirt mock-ups, free business card mock-ups. The website that I use the most is called freepik.com. It has a variety of options for you to choose from that are free as long as you check that free box that's on the left-hand side of the screen. I'm going to be doing a sweatshirt mock-up today. So we're just going to scroll through, we're going to find something that we like. But of course, the first one I've seen is the one that I like the most, because it's on an actual person, so it's going to make it look really realistic. All you're going to do is do download. It's going to give you the option to go premium or do a free download, but just do a free download. That's going to be your best bet. Cool. So now that you have that file, you're actually going to go into Adobe Photoshop and you're going to open that file up. It's most likely going to be in your downloads folder. All right, so once that opens up, you can see on the right-hand side that we have a multitude of layers there. So you want to find a layer that you're actually going to put your design or pattern on. For me, I'm putting my design on the entire sweatshirt. So I'm going to go onto the side panel. That first image or the first layer is what I'm going to click so that I can add my design to it. So once you're in this part, it's super easy, you guys, I promise you. All you have to do is go to File, Place, and you want to place the image that you're actually going to be using as far as the design. And with this part, I don't actually have to do, but I'm just doing it just to make sure that the design comes out as clear as possible. But I am going to make it a transparent background so that the only thing we're able to see is the cow prints. Now, typically with this, since my product is white and the background of the image is white, I wouldn't really have to do that because you wouldn't see any difference. But I just want it to be as crisp and clear as possible. But if you're working with something that's a white product, but the background of the design is black, you definitely want to, remove that background so that it looks really clean cut on the product itself. Once you finish that, you want to go to File and Save. It's not going to save it on your computer. It's saving it to the original PSD file that we opened. So the original mockup file is saving there. So then when we click back over, after it's done saving to the main file, you see that the image was saved and it's been stretched out over the entire sweatshirt. It looks super cool and it looks real. So this is the perfect thing to use if you're into fashion design and you're starting a new clothing line, or even if you're just starting a business where you're selling a product and you want to have, packaging design done, and you want to show people what it will look like when they receive their package, but you don't actually have the contents yet, this is the absolute perfect thing that you want to do. It's going to make everything you do look super professional and super, super official. And that's it. That's the end of the tutorial, y'all. How to use mock-ups in Adobe Photoshop. Super quick, easy, it's free, and it's gonna make you, your business, and your brand look amazing. And once again, as always, thank you so much for sitting down and listening to me ramble. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope it helped you out a lot. Don't forget, it's 31 days of Dom, so come back tomorrow, and the day after that, and the day after that, and the day after that, to get a new tutorial so that you can become a design pro by the end of the month. Start the new year off on a good foot. Keep up with me by following me on all of my social media platforms, and I look forward to talking to y'all tomorrow. Have a good day.